Hello folks, I wanted to talk to you about this new construction we're looking at, and this is just something I kind of like to see, and I'll explain to you why. But you see we got our seal plate here and our top plate, and see how they're tied right into this, and it just nailed, and actually just toenailed into it. And what we'd like to see, because this is actually makes for a soft spot where it could have crackage in our drywall. If it's wood trimmed out, that's a little different, but it does make a weaker spot. We'd like to see this plate right here tied right into this stud right here and run right on up and then interlock them all together. And the same thing down through here. And it's just going to give you a better job. I know this is the faster way, but the faster way is not the best way. You want the best way. It's going to take them a couple of more minutes to make sure it's done right. But anyway, this is something you need to make sure you clarify before you get the framing going on your home. You'd like to see it this way. But sadly, they just throw it together. They don't really care. Anyway, thank you, folks. It is so sad. Thank you, folks. Have a great day. Give us a call. Galloway Building Services on your construction project. Hey, if you like these videos, hit like and subscribe. Follow us. Other people get a chance to learn what you're learning yourself right now. Thank you, folks. Have a great day.